All right. Here, you get the.
I don't even know anything else other than braking gas.
Well, you need to steer it.
Yeah, you have to give it a lot of gas. You have to rev the motor way up before it starts moving. It's got a high engagement.
Just be careful.
Watch out for Dad behind you, Mark. Roll it out,
Roll
son.
it up a little.
Uh-oh.
All right, try to brake. I think you got that part down. If anything happens, if you reach back, look, reach back, put your hand over there, and the motor will kill the motor.
Right there?
Like that, just no. Yeah, have to have it flush so it can't get no air, just like that. All right, ready? Don't kill it.
Hey, what's this leaving? Leave right here, let Michael ride it from here.
Yeah. Kind of high RPM and engine slow, but
Yeah.
Michael?
Hey, we can ride that one.
It's just got high RPM and
I got it.
Huh? Yeah, it was quick.
No, I bet it's not as quick as.
well,
Here.
So,
Hey, hold that.
you got it. Is it still going?
Yeah.
Yeah, keep it going.
Some bumpers on
say smell.
Well, be careful with this one. As you fail it, it will spin on you.
Yeah, he's already found that out.
Why am I keeping it going?
Say what now? What's the matter?
You gotta get out. Or I get to go again?
We'll just put this one on the ground.
I don't know. We
Oh, we're gonna go again? Are we gonna race?
No, we gotta make some hamburgers.
Yeah.
Take your phone back.
Hamburgers.
Yeah, and brat. Bratwurst.
But we're playing go-karts.
All right.
Oh, shit. Oh!
Hey.
You gotta actually put the helmet on.
You ready?
Gotta give gas.
That's a weird way to start it.
Where's the camera?
I got it.
Here you go. This way.
keep going.
Yeah, we better put them out because sometimes the cop shows up afterwards.
Why? Is it illegal to have go-karts?
It is right them on the street.
Oh. It's not street.
It's got a high RPM clutch engagement. You just gotta really push it. I think I need to have it checked out though. All right, what'd you think?
Watch that exhaust pipe hot. I got you.
It's like a little kid.
was that good for you?
That'll do me.
All right.
Yeah, it does tingle the butthole a little bit.
Say that for the camera.
You see me do a double? Wait on that car to move?
Yeah, I heard you down there. So, go-kart fun.
Woohoo!
Yeah, I need to.
Yeah, you can get out now.
I need something to stop it.
Oh. All right.
You get a video?
Yeah, I got it on video. It'll be on Facebook here in a little while. Dad, you want to ride it? All right.
50 years, so I guess if I really.
All right.
That was enjoyable.
Yeah. I guess we can put everything up now, huh? Whee, doggy. All right.
I'm really disappointed. I didn't know I could go further than